As dawn breaks over the canopy, the first signs of human...
Copy that. Let's start blending the edge.
Administering the dose now.
Up. Steady on the left, coming level now.
Confirmed. Guiding it in, secure the latches.
Securing the valuable cargo, the transport convoy.
Levels look good. Let's move her inside.
Bedroom. Utilizing a specialized...
Lungs sound clear. Good girl. Let's check those eyes. No swelling.
The final step of the intake phase is guiding the zebra calmly into the main enclosure.
Administering the solution now.
Vitals are ceasing. Confirm.
Vigorously coated on the flesh side with a thick layer of pure, coarse sea salt. In a large, rectangular stainless steel soaking pit, filled with clean water and mild disinfectant. Inside the tunnel, dozens of high-pressure nozzles activate, hitting the skin with jets of scrub both sides simultaneously, ensuring a deep clean without fiber damage. The wet hide is compressed by large rollers.
Sulfide is pumped in. This chemical bath breaks down proteins.
Now pickled by being submerged and agitated in drums containing...
The aniline dye formulas are mixed precisely in these vats. A swatch is tested to ensure color consistency. The leather enters the multi-stage spray booth. Automated arms apply thin layers of dye stuff, gradually building intensity without obscuring the natural grain. The leather is fed through a heavy, heated roller press. The roller has a polished steel surface and applies treatments. The leather passes under an embossing roller engraved with a hyper-realistic zebra grain pattern. It presses the surface. The protective finish is applied using a precision curtain coater, ensuring a uniform layer that provides scuff resistance and a consistent sheen.
As the hide passes under the laser scanner, the system automatically calculates the exact square footage and flags any...
We look for flawless consistency, uniform thickness, and the clarity of the pattern before applying the grade stamp.
A shaped metal die is placed over the leather, and the press descends with great force, punching out a perfectly formed strap end in a single, clean action. Specialists set rivets and screw in hardware, ensuring every metal component is aligned perfectly and securely fastened to the leather.
I use a small roller for an even application of the edge paint. Then the high-speed cotton wheel heats and burns.
Once the shipment arrives, it's immediately logged into the digital inventory system and transported to its precise, climate-controlled location.
Seal number 19967T, verified against the manifest.
All checks complete. We are clear to depart.
A specialized machine applies a delicate metallic foil accent using heat and pressure, a process known as hot foil stamping.
Check the blind spot on camera 3.
Search. Access point secure. Let's move to the next sector.
Feel the pressure right here. Keep the blade angle low and consistent as you push through the leather.
As the forklifts dock, smart charging technology ensures they are ready for the next shift, maintaining our zero-emission goal. The specialized inks flex with the leather without cracking, allowing for this complex, multicolored design on the zebra hide.
Proceed immediately to the assembly point. Stay calm and orderly. All right, listen for your name. Johnson.
Present.
Check the yield percentages on the K4 line. We need to adjust the settings now, or we won't meet the fulfillment target.
The environment is carefully controlled to allow the leather to relax and reach its ideal moisture content before cutting. Our IT infrastructure handles everything from inventory management to security, requiring constant monitoring to prevent downtime. An ultrasonic cutting machine uses high-frequency vibrations to cut and simultaneously seal the edges of.
This machine automatically cuts the straps to length, bevels the edges, and punches the holes in a single, continuous sequence.
The spinning bit carves away the metal with incredible precision, creating intricate patterns worthy of the finest exotic leather. Utilizing vacuum technology, the leather is precisely molded to the seat frame, ensuring a flawless finish as the adhesive cures. The AGV system seamlessly links the laser cutting area with the stitching department, dramatically improving our internal logistics efficiency. The machine applies a steady load, stretching the leather to its breaking point. This 10-strength data verifies the hide.
This surgical technique allows us to insert the matching hide, making the original flaw virtually undetectable.
The facility's software generates customs declarations and CITES certificates, ensuring all legal and conservation.
We must reduce the waste around this handle.
Adjusting the grain direction here.
Applying food-grade lubricant is crucial preventative maintenance, ensuring these bearings operate efficiently and minimizing downtime. The eliminator bar neutralizes static on the leather pieces, preventing dust attraction. They then move to the gluing station for perfect bonding. This handheld plasma device locally activates the leather surface, a critical step for improving adhesive bonding in the assembly process.
The machine automatically inserts the rigid cardboard shape, providing essential structure to the flat bag base.
Here at Global Stitch Supplies, the arrival of new wax thread initiates a precise scanning and storage protocol, ensuring the supply chain remains unbroken.
We use the black light specifically to check for these fluorescent markers. This allows us to catch flaws that would otherwise go unnoticed.
Automated systems precisely count and package the M4x10 rivets, guaranteeing that the assembly line always has the necessary components. Maintaining the precise temperature is crucial for the leather. The generator test confirms our redundancy systems are fully operational. The machine precisely applies the genuine zebra marking and serial number, a crucial step in our authentication process.
At 75 decibels, the noise level is safe, but we provide earmuffs like these for the comfort and protection of our stitching department staff.
These donations are vital. They allow our students hands-on experience with materials that would otherwise be cost prohibitive.
The two-part adhesive is dispensed through a static mixer. The automated system precisely controls.
Using this tool, we spread the seam allowance evenly. Pressing it flat creates this smooth, raised roll, a hallmark of quality bag construction.
Maintaining these HEPA filters is crucial for our dust-free inspection areas. The new filters ensure air quality compliance. For this one-of-a-kind item, we use reinforced cardboard and custom The apparatus assesses color fastness under continuous friction. The results confirm high durability,